Good morning, friends. This is our next experiment to study the magnetization characteristics of CT. CT stands for current transformer. You can see the diagram. The diagram is very simple. Here you have to plot the characteristics between CT, for which you need a voltmeter and an ammeter. The range of voltmeter is 0 to 300 volt and an ammeter of 0 to 5 ampere. In between that, you have to place a rheostat. Then you have to place a current transformer. Basically, current transformer is having two sides. One is primary, another is secondary, where the primary current is a very high current. So the circuit which you can see, which is made here on the table, this is that CT, current transformer. The CT is having a ratio of 50/5. So 50/5 indicates 50 ampere is of primary, that is line current, line side current, and 5 ampere means the CT current. That current can be given to the relay for the operation or for the measurement. So these two terminals are the 5 ampere current terminals. This is given through ammeter. So ammeter measures the value of current, and we have a rheostat. So fixed terminals of rheostats are selected. To these three instruments, there is a dimmer stat placed. The purpose of dimmer stat is to change the voltage, and a voltmeter, that is multimeter, is used for the measurement of voltage. So we are going to plot the characteristics between this voltage and current for this particular current transformer. Okay, so let us start. Now the first voltage which we are going to set is 80 volt. So this is that voltage. So 80 volt is given. With respect to 80 volt, the amount of current which is passing through this current transformer is 1.2 ampere. 1.2 ampere. Now gradually increase the voltage by 20 volts. So now make it 100 volt. For 100 volt, the value of current is 1.5 ampere. Then make it 120 volts. 120 volts. Again, see, the value of current is 1.7 ampere, or you can say 1.8 ampere, right? So this way you have to increase the voltage in steps, and you have to note down the value of current corresponding to the value of voltage. So start from the voltage of 80 volt, and you can increase the voltage up to 240 volt. Depends on the instrument ratings. Instrument means the rheostat which we are using, its rating is 5 ampere, so it means up to 5 ampere the current can pass through the fixed terminals. Then current transformer is also 5 ampere. It means the maximum rating allowable is also 5 ampere for current transformer. Okay, so this way this particular experiment can be performed. Now after noting down the observations, like after getting the readings, observations between voltage and current for say 9 or 10 readings, you have to plot the characteristics on a graph paper, and taking voltage on y-axis and current on x-axis with a suitable scale, and plot the curve. So that curve will be the characteristics or curve for the current transformer. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much.